Theme kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make barbecue chicken in the oven. This chicken dish is so easy to make. You just need chicken, barbecue sauce, and I also added some garlic for an extra kick. The chicken, after it is baked, turns out so juicy, moist, and delicious. For making barbecue chicken, you can use an oven or a grill to cook the chicken. Ingredients for oven barbecue chicken: 2 chicken legs, 2 garlic cloves grated, a pinch of salt, half a cup of barbecue sauce or as needed, preferably homemade, 1 teaspoon of oil. How to cook barbecue chicken in the oven. Step 1. Take the chicken in a Ziploc bag and add in salt and garlic. Toss well and leave to marinate for a couple of hours in the fridge. Remove it from the fridge 30 minutes before cooking. Now preheat the oven to 250 degrees Celsius. Line a baking tray with foil and oil it lightly. Place the chicken in the tray. Baste both sides with a coat of barbecue sauce. Place the chicken in the oven and bake for 10 minutes. Remove it from the oven. Reduce the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius. Remove it from the oven and brush the top side with sauce generously. Flip it over and brush some more sauce over it. Bake this for 10 minutes. Remove it from the oven and brush some more sauce over it. Bake for 10 more minutes. Repeat this one more time. Serve the chicken immediately with a side salad. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more delicious recipes.